नमस्कार आणि येवकार तुमकां परत एकदा गोंयकारपणाचे वी आर एज वी अप्रोच द ZP इलेक्शन आमी जाणा कॅम्पेनिंग इज इन फुल फ्लो. टुडे वी हॅव कम टू कलंगूट कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी वेर हियर कलंगूट MLA Michael Lobo is campaigning for the candidate Franzilia Rodriguez. First we'll talk to Franzilia herself and see what she wants to do as a ZP member if she is elected. Franzilia, welcome to the show. First thing, tell us how is your campaigning going on?
कॅम्पेनिंग बरें चलता आमचें.
Uh,
डोर टू डोर रिस्पॉन्स आमकां बरो मेळ्ळो लोकांचो.
uh,
आनी आमचे आतां वुमन सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप्सांनी तांकां मशिनरी प्रोवायड करतली. ओपन जिम्स, चिल्ड्रन्स पार्क, वॉटर फिल्टरेशन हें करतली. मागीर CCTV कॅमेरा आमचे आसतले प्लेसीचेर. आनी फुटबॉल हें करतली हांव. म्हणजे फुटबॉल ग्राउंड्स आसतले आमचे ओपन टू ऑल. फ्री मेडिकल चेकअप कॅम्प्स.
yeah, your father is already a punch in Kalangut Panchayat. So how does this help you to in fighting these elections?
म्हाका तेजो भरपूर सपोर्ट मेळटा. आमची सगळे पंच मेंबर आहा कलंगूट विलेज पंचायत, ऑल द सरपंचीस आनी आमचो MLA आमच्या बरोबर. सो म्हाका जायतो सपोर्ट मेळलेलो.
First thing, I'll ask you, how is the support from the party and the MLA?
बरो चलता आमचो. सगळ्यांनी म्हाका 100% दिलेलो आनी फूल पावर.
Yeah. Being a woman candidate, there are very this was a woman seat, right? Reservation. There are many reservations. आता सध्या पळय आता woman candidate जेन्ना येता, first thing I'll ask you. Actually, I'll ask this question to MLA later, but I'll just ask you की मेंबर आहा ते सायडीक उरता आनी तेंचे घोव येवन किंवा भुरगे येवन हे चलयतात. What do you have to say about it?
Independent Marita. She will do. No, she has to understand. तो कितें म्हणटा, तुजो घोव येवन इंटरफेअर करतलो, तुजो भाव येवन इंटरफेअर करतलो, डॅडी.
इंटरफियर करचो ना. सगळ्यांनी म्हाका 100% सपोर्ट दिलेलो आनी फुडेंय काडलेलें हांव म्हाका.
Okay, thank you very much. We'll not disturb you much for as you are campaigning. As we can see, she is busy in campaigning. Now we go over to the
Thank you.
Kalangut MLA. Welcome, sir. As we saw you campaigning here, can you just tell us how the campaigning कशी चल्ला तुझी?
आयज भारतीय जनता पार्टीन BJP पार्टी आमची आणि जो आमचो बाप दामू नायक हा पार्टी प्रेसिडेंट नेवो, आदलो पार्टी प्रेसिडेंट आमचो सदानंद तानावडे आणि मुख्यमंत्री डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंत हेंच्यांनी विश्वास दाखयल्लो आहा. आणि स्पेशली आमचे जे सीट दिताना तेंच्यांनी अशे चेडवाक दिल्ले आहा वुमन रिजर्वेशन जाल्ले उपरांत की हांवें जेन्ना म्हटलें तेका की आमचे एक बरी चेडू आहा सोशल वर्कर आनी तेजो बापूय एक सरपंच आसलो आदी, आतां पंचायत मेंबर, ते शी represents the fishermen community of the state of Goa and especially the coastal belt of Shinkeri, कांदोलीम, कलंगूट, बागा, आरपोरा हे सगळे फिशरमॅन जे आहा तेंचे कम्युनिटीचे हे चेडू. आणि जेन्ना आमी रेप्रेजेंटेशन फिशरमॅनांक दिता, इट इज ऑल इन्क्लुसिव्ह. जेन्ना आमी एजेंडार घालता की आमी सबका साथ, प्रायम मिनिस्टराचे विजन
सबका साथ, सबका विकास.
सबका साथ,
सबका साथ.
सबका साथ includes every
Caste,
Christian, every
caste.
Hindu, every Muslim, every Sikh, every person who is fitting in the religion, who religiously believe in their religion, and caste आणि creed. सगळे आम्ही सगळे एक करून, एक कास्ट आम्ही सगळे एक करून, म्हणजे आम्ही अहेत कोणाक धरिना की हो अमक्या जातीचो म्हणून एका भायर धरया. हे ऑल इन्क्लुसिव्ह. त्या खातीर हे ट्रेडिशनल फिशरमॅन, फिशर वुमन हेंच्या घटकाक हे सीट दिल्ल्या. आणि हितून आमचे सगळे BJPचे कार्यकर्ते खोशी आहा. आणि हितून सगळे आमचे क्रिस्तांव भाव, हिंदू भाव, मुस्लिम भाव जे आमचे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन रावता ते सगळे खोशी आहा. त्या खातीर हो सीट वेगळोसो असो हांव म्हणूंक सोदता. आणि हितून आमकां वेगळेपण दिसतले. जेन्ना मतदान जातले तेन्ना आमकां लीड जी आहा हे गोयचो लोक पळयतलो की people have faith on everyone because Prime Minister has said सबका साथ सबका विकास सबका प्रयास सबका प्रयास याचा सगळ्यांचो प्रयास चालू आहे हिंगासर सगळे भाशेचे लोक हा सगळे भाशेचे
How important is this ZP seat for you?
we are going to understand the difficulties of the people when we are walking
Yeah.
आणि पहिले हा कितलेशेच प्रॉब्लेम हा आणि ते प्रॉब्लेम ऍड्रेस करपा खातीर लोक घालपाची गरज हा
Hmm.
कलंगूट पंचायत इज ट्रायंग द लेवल बेस्ट टू कीप द एरिया क्लीन
Hmm.
पण तितून आनीक एक 10 लेबर वाडोवचे पडटले ओनली टू स्वीप झाडू मारपाक रोडांचेर ते सरपंचान आनी हांवें फाटल्या दिसांनी डिस्कस केले आनी ते एग्री जालो तो
Hmm.
आनी हांवें सांगले लेट्स नॉट बर्डन द पंचायत विल पुट इट ऑन सम हॉटेल्स
Hmm.
हॉटेलान तांकां सॅलरी दिवनी आनी सरपंच एग्री जालो आनी हे आतां इलेक्शन कोड जाल्या उपरांत आमी चालू करतले
No, but
सो streets have to be clean. Cleanliness is the key for tourism in the state of Goa.
my thing is, I'm asking you how important is this ZP election, considering the
सांगल्यान तुका
2027.
न्हू
दोन
घरा
हजार-
घरांनी भोंवता अंडरस्टँडिंग टू अंडरस्टँड पीपल्स डिफिकल्टीज
Yeah.
वॉटर स्कॅसिटी इलेक्ट्रिसिटी हे सगळे एड्रेस करता आमी इश्यू वॉटर ट्रिटमेंट प्लांट तुम्ही पयलो आसतलो इगोर्जे फुडल्यान सांप रेडी अंडरग्राउंड ना व्हडलो सांप ओव्हरहेड टँक थिंगा ऑफिस पंपिंग स्टेशन वयर उदक जेन्ना पावतले कलंगूट प्लेटोचेर थिंगा आख्खो सांप रेडी जाला आनी वॉटर ट्रिटमेंट प्लांटाचे कामूय सुरवात जाल्ल्या सो हितून आमकां फुडें बरो फायदो जावपाचो आहा कलंगूटाक उदक सालिगांव कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीक उदक त्या प्लांटा वयरसून सो 15 MLD वॉटर एडिशनल वी विल गेट बोथ द एरियाज सो वॉटर स्कॅसिटी जी आहली कांदोली एरिया सायपे आनी ते पिलेन आनी नेरूल रेश मागोजी वेरे ही सगळी सॉल्व जातले आनी तितून आमची ही एरिया कलंगूटाची पयऱ्यान जे उदक येताले कोरबावाडो आगारवाडो हिंगा खोबरावाडो आनी सावंतवाडो ते एवरीडे उदक येवपाक लागता
No, my question specifically was there was a lot of social media backlash against you after 2022. आणि लोक खूप they are speaking on, and I know it is mostly on social media, but still there has been people are offended for you joining Congress from Congress to BJP.
Ah.
And
The situation at that time was like that.
no, I'm just asking you how is the people's response?
Response
Now.
is always good. See, when I
Is that
joined,
thing,
when I joined BJP back again, I had gone back to the people. A lot of people I have met for MP election also, for before that also. So different occasions, different functions, different meetings we have held, and we have met people. So people know me and know my work.
Hmm.
आणि ह्या कामा खातीरूच लोक म्हाका परतून परतून निवडून दिता
Yeah. Michael, now that you have joined BJP, you have reached that political thing. You have joined BJP after almost 3 years. You have been finally given a chairmanship of GSIDC. Goa's infrastructure is in shambles right now. We have done development, we have done bridges, we have done roads, we have done schools, but all these lie in shambles. And you see the roads are in bad condition. PWD is doing it, but there are many which GSIDC is doing it itself. I mean, what are your priorities to see that all these things are put in shape back?
See, after talking to Honorable Chief Minister, हांवें म्हापसाचे मॉर्गाचे एस्टिमेट आनी टेंडर प्रोसेस चालू केलो चारूच मॉर्ग चलताले तितून 24 मॉर्ग आसपाक जाय 12 घातलेले आदी GSIDCनूच घातलेले सो आफ्टर 8 years or after completing 6 years actually no repair should be done, it should be changed. New मॉर्ग हाडूंक जाय सो अशें म्हापसा डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटल after health minister told me there is lot of leakage because we had made holes for the solar system and ते घालूकूच ना solar system. So ते शीट्स चेंज करप काडून नये घालप म्हणजे 50% शीट्स काडचे पडटले ते नये घालतले आमी सो तेका आनीक 1.1 crore 20 lakhs सुमार आख्खे ते रूफ रिपेर करून ते उदक चॅनलायज करून गटारान घालप म्हापसा डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटल should not have any problem as far as infrastructure is concerned, whether it is morgue or whether it is roof. हे सगळे जाग्यार घालपा खातीर आमी काम करतले
Michael,
हे एक जाले हॉस्पिटलाचे इवन अदर प्लेसीस इन्क्लुडिंग कलंगूट आसूं पार्किंग लॉट्स आसूं मल्टी लेवल कार पार्क जाता जाल्यार म्हणजे इन माय टेन्युअर वॉट एवर आय कॅन डू मल्टी लेवल कार पार्क ऑनरेबल सीएमाक आमी हाडून दाखयलो की ह्या जाग्यार पळय गाडयो फूल आहा एक टू व्हिलर आनीक घालूंक जायना पण जागो पंचायती कडेन आहा जागो ट्युरिजमा कडेन आहा पण जाग्याचेर आनीक लोक गाडयो हाडून दवरूंक सोदता पण जागो ना सो कॅन वी डू मल्टी लेवल कार पार्क ही सेड गो अहेड डू द टेंडर प्रोसेस डू द एस्टिमेट प्रोसेस सो हे सगळे म्हाका दिसता काम आमी फुडें करतले
Michael,
whether it is parking lots beautification dividers for the road footpath upgradation benches to sit children's park a park for the elders to walk you go and see Kandolim we have done beach beautification
Yeah.
very nicely 10 वर्सां जाली मेंटेन केला मी वचून पळया
yeah. Michael,
टॉयलेट ब्लॉक वचून पळया
Michael, the thing is, how because Santa, I have been following GSIDC since a very long time, and you must have read the stories, and you have also praised me for those stories. I know, remember. चार टॉयलेटींचं मळ्यान जीएसआयडीसीन टॉयलेट बांदलेलो फॉर 6 crores आणि जीएसआयडीसी इज नोन फॉर सच हेफ्टी एक्झॉर्बिटंट प्राइसेस आणि त्यांच्या जीएसआर आय डोंट नो व्हॉट दे वर्क ऑन आर यू गोइंग टू वर्क ऑन दोज लाईन
no you will see our tendering process you will see the estimates
Is there
what we
going to be a
prepare.
transparency in
The
JSIDC?
consultants whom we are going to appoint are going to be our local people and they will give the estimates exactly what PWD is giving. Maybe 5%, maybe more for to maintain that particular quality. And our quality will be to that level.
But you have got a very short time, Michael. As a
See, in
GSI.
this short time, you will see lot of wonders happening for the state of Goa. And I assure you that we will definitely work out something good for the people of Goa. Basic infrastructure, basic sanitation. खंय एसटीपी घालपाक जाय थिंगा एसटीपी घालतले आमी सेवेज ट्रिटमेंट प्लांट्स खंय फुटपाथ्स घालूंक जाय बाजार क्लीन करूंक जाय इवन म्हापसा मार्केट आय विल प्लॅन विथ जॉशुआ समथिंग नायस वे आमचे लोकल लोक गेले काय तेंका फील गुड फॅक्टर मेळोंक जाय
No, we have seen that there is a no love lost between you and Joshua for a long time, and that day
No,
आम्ही
no,
जो
I will
photo.
take every MLA in confidence
No, but
when I'm doing the work.
is this the step in the right direction? I mean, do
See,
we see some friendship?
my department where I am heading it
Yeah.
under the guidance of CM, we will do wonders and you will see the wonders. तू आमची कामां पळय जे आमी करतले एक वर्सूच आहा म्हाका एक वर्सान जी कामां आमी चालीक लायतले ते लोक पळोवन म्हणटले मायकलान जस्टीस केले म्हणून
No, you have always been criticizing Joshua and Rohan Kaunte, and last few days I have seen your photographs with both of them.
See, it is not like that. Sometimes there is a political angle. आधी आम्ही काँग्रेसीन आले परत बीजेपीन येयले 7 महिने आम्ही उरले भायर 6 महिने पण वी वर ऑलवेज विथ द बीजेपी
No, but you have been critical of both of them.
I don't criticize the person. I criticize the
Work.
that they have not done this because it is also related to us.
Yeah.
Bardesh. As far as Rohan is concerned, no criticizing him on work because he is doing a lot of work in his constituency. I can't criticize him. We have both joined, means we have both been in the assembly together. So,
Now coming back, you have been very critical about things what are happening in the tourism front. Maka विचारूंक जाय की now that you are a chairman of GSIDC or along with tourism, can you and you have been vocal about these things that infrastructure is required for tourism
see,
all over.
Kandolim beach front is an example which I will take tourism minister and CM and show him. This is how the beach should be presented to the tourist. There is one video going viral that one foreign tourist couple with their 2 kids going on the beach and they have made a video. We are happy about Kandolim beach, they said. We are happy about the parking. We parked safely. We are buying those buckets, some kyopaje, reombin galpaje, spoons, this, that. And then they are buying some other thing, I think seesaw or something what they throw. So they are buying all those things and going on the beach. The beach frontage is big. There's some nice paintings put up over there. Toilet is up to the mark, which Panchayat has upgraded. Tourism toilet upgraded. But the same thing is not in Kalangut and Baga and Tito's Lane. So all these things have to be upgraded. For that, the cooperation of Panchayat is very important. Tourism department is important, and the like-minded people have to come together and see, and the business stakeholders have to come together and say that we want this in this fashion.
Yeah, Michael, when we talk about tourism,
See, when you give infrastructure, you will find good quality tourists.
where you have been, you have been critical about this, all these things, what is happening. Actually, tourism, Ajay Janna Leta, there have been a lot of tourists involved. There have been a lot of tourists who are involved in lot of crimes. The crime rate in Goa has increased. What do you have to say about all this?
See, the police have to be very, very extra vigil,
Hmm.
extra strict, extra things what they should do as far as the tourist is concerned and local also is concerned. There are a lot of Indians who have come to Goa to do business. Some are very aggressive. So aggressive people cannot be tolerated here. They should be immediately made tadipar.
Hmm.
If video goes viral, externment proceedings should start on them, and they should be externed.
Yeah. Kun, are you happy with the law and order situation right now in Goa?
See, law and order situation needs to be improved, and I feel that it has been periodical review meetings have been started by the chief minister, and I'm very much confident that this law and order situation will come back to normal as far as dacoity is concerned, as far as thefts are concerned, and robberies are concerned. And I've been always vocal about all these people who are renting all these small stalls, also the restaurants, also cafes, also. Then the staff should be always having the police card, police verification card. You don't know who is who, what crime they have committed in their state, and they have come over here and staying over here.
Hmm.
So this should not be the reason for somebody to lose his life or somebody to lose his entire savings from his house. Kosa, Baranu. Yeah. So this is all about protecting our people, the people of Goa and people who are staying over here. We have to protect them. We are duty bound to protect them. The government of the day has to have things in place, things and measures in place to see that everything goes well,
Yeah.
and nothing comes against our
Doesn't tarnish our image.
our image of Goa being a tourist destination, and a lot of good things also come and bad things come. So bad things should not overcome the good things.
Okay. Michael, it was interesting talking to you. Talks will never finish because you have so much of perspective about everything. I think you are busy campaigning also. And we, देव बऱ्या करू म्हणटा तुका giving us this time. And
Thank
wish
you.
you all
Thank
the
you.
best. Thank you. Thank you.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.